You'll have to excuse the mess. Today I've gone and put one of these Cool Monkey J-Car compressor fridges in the ute, and to do it I have connected up a pair of, here we are, two 40-watt panels to make an 80, and then wired it into a little 10 amp solar controller there. Now on a cloudy day I'm quite impressed actually. These two 40-watt panels together are putting out 1.9 amps at 18 volts, so that's 38 watts or thereabouts, almost 40. We've got a little bit of blue sky coming through, but it's mostly overcast. In fact, you can just about see where the sun is, or can figure out where the sun is up there. Yeah, so the fridge itself on eco mode in the ute, it seems to be able to hold on to or keep the temperature low, but on a hot day it does struggle. It sort of rises, maybe on a clear blue sky, 28-degree day, it does struggle to keep the temperature down, and it does warm up a few degrees in there. So to help with that, what I'm doing is I've got ice packs in there and a large bottle of water, just to fill up the space so that every time it's opened, all that air doesn't come out. It's in there as water and it doesn't need recooling or as much. So on eco mode it uses about 3 amps or 2.5 to 3 amps. On power mode it uses 4 amps. Yeah, I'm a little bit disappointed with the amount of power consumption that it has. It seems to run quite a lot, and the instruction manual said it used something like it was about 24 amp hours per day. It's been running since about 6 o'clock last night. It's 10 AM now, so 12 14 hours, and we've used 0.4 kilowatt hours, so it's probably going to use double what the instruction manual says it consumes. So I've got a 80-watt panels on the top of the canopy at the moment. I would suggest you'd want at least a 120 bare minimum, with a good sized battery. I've got a 12 volt lead carbon just in there, and to keep it topped up I'm just using a battery charger overnight, just to plug into the house. So yeah, it gets pretty hot here in Hawke's Bay, and so that's my project at the moment.